Assalamualaikum and good day, everybody. All right, so today we are going to learn about foreign exchange markets. Okay, in this chapter, we are going to concentrate into three learning goals only. The first one, hopefully by the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand what forex markets and forex rates are. Second one, it is hoped that you can understand the history of and current trends in forex market. Um, Number three, we hope that you can identify the relations among the interest rate, inflation, and exchange rates. Okay, let's see the overview of foreign exchange markets first. So today, Malaysia-based companies compete and operate globally. For example, CIMB. We have CIMB Thailand and CIMB Indonesia. Therefore, any event and movement in Thai and Indonesia financial markets, it can affect the profitability and the performance of Malaysia market. Okay. Nonetheless, firms with only Malaysia operations still face foreign competition, even though we do not have any Malaysian firms overseas. For example, in tourism sector, Malaysia Tourism competes with Thailand Tourism, Indonesia Tourism, and Singapore Tourism. If the ringgit strengthens against, let's say, Thai baht, the cost to come to Malaysia increases, and this can reduce the number of foreign visitors to this country. Next, for example, if Malaysia import more fish than we export, it means we will be supplying more ringgit in the market. This is because we pay fish not using our ringgit, but by converting our ringgit to other currency. If this happens, there will be lots of ringgit floating in the market. And when supply of ringgit is more than the demand, the value will decline. In this case, we can say that Malaysian ringgit is currently facing depreciation. International active firms often seek to hedge their foreign currency exposure. Okay, when we do business in foreign countries, we are exposed to foreign currency exposure. It means we are exposing or we are exposed to the uncertainty of ups and downs of foreign currency. So, in order to protect us from this uncertainty, we can exercise these actions. By the way, protecting means hedging in finance term. All right, here you can do one of the three tactics. The first one, you might be using derivatives instruments such as swaps and futures to hedge your foreign currency. Second, you may borrow money in the same currency in which they are earning revenues. The third one is by locating the production facilities and incurring local currency costs where they are earning revenues. So, ladies and gentlemen, forex markets are markets in which one currency is exchanged for another, either today in the spot market or at a set time in the future in the forward market. A foreign exchange rate, however, is the price at which one currency can be exchanged for another currency. So please make sure you know the differences between markets and rate. Okay, in table 9.2 here, you can see the foreign exchange market trading. Here, you can see total trading, you can see spot transactions, you can see forward and other transactions. So what are they? Spot transactions here refers to exchange of currencies at the prevailing market rate. For example, if you want to go to Indonesia, you would want to convert ringgit to Indonesia rupiah, right? Of course, because you are not using ringgit in Indonesia. And normally you will go to money changer and the guy will quote that day rate. So this is spot transaction. Forward transaction means foreign exchange forward transaction agreement. It is an agreement between you and the bank to purchase one currency against selling another currency at a fixed price for delivery on an agreed date in the future. Oops, sorry. For example, you want to buy 1 ton of coffee bean, but you want to buy it later, say another 3 months. In this case, you might want to negotiate with the seller to buy that coffee at an agreed price for the next 3 months.